Hello everyone. Right now this is the 2022 Genesis GV70 3.5 turbo sport prestige all-wheel drive. Get your LED headlights, which are the quad beam headlights. Get front parking sensors. Get LED turn signal indicators with your camera on them or for your 360-degree view. Get keyless entry. Gas cap. Takes premium gasoline. In the back you get your LED tail lights. Your dual exhaust tips down below with your rear parking sensors. And you get a rear backup camera right there. You can see you get your GV70 badge, Genesis badge. This one is a 4-wheel drive and this one's a 3.5 turbo. You also get your reverse lights down there with your rear diffuser. And also you get blind spot monitoring on this one. Get soft touch materials up here with your leather stitch. Get more leather right here with your leather stitch as well right here. Get your window controls. All 4 windows are automatic. Get your lock unlock, your window lock, and mirror controls with power folding mirrors for both sides. And you get 2-person memory for the driver's seat. Get your Genesis door sills. Get a driver power seat with your power thigh extension. And also get your backrest adjustment. You also get this adjustment right here where you can have these bolsters hug you. And you get 4-way power lumbar. On the left side you get an air vent. Down here you get your auto start off, your gauge dimmer, your downhill cruise control, your traction controls right there. Get your power trunk control, and you get your power parking brake. Get your fuse box down there, and right over there is your hood release. Get your Genesis Sport aluminum pedals. You also get a driver knee airbag. Get a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel on this one. Get your headlight controls, wiper controls, your paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. On the left side, get your radio controls and your cruise control. Here's what the gauges look like. You can see you get your speedometer, your tachometer, and this one has 41,700 miles. And this one also, you can make it to be 3D. And this is the sensor that watches your face for your adaptive cruise control. In the center here, you get your infotainment system, which it all can be controlled by right here. Back, home, menu, your volume knob, your tuning knob is right here. And this is your controller to control that infotainment system. You could also write and scribble things on this right here, and it'll recognize what you're trying to type. Get 2 air vents in the center. This is where you can start the vehicle. Down here you get your dual zone automatic climate control. This is where you can place your finger to start the vehicle. And then you get your short key buttons, get your map, navigation, star, your hazards, radio, media, and setup. Then down here you get your parking sensor control, your drive mode selectors right here, where you can choose between eco, normal, sport, sport plus, and your snow mode. Then you get your parking camera control right here, and then get your auto hold. And then this one has the 8-speed automatic transmission. To put in reverse, just scroll it to the left, that puts in reverse. Then when you want to put in drive, just scroll it all the way to the right, that puts in drive. Then just do this gently, that puts in neutral. Then we want to put in park, just press the speed button right here. And then you could see your really nice carbon fiber trim, which also follows through the door panels. If you open this up, you get 2 USB ports with a wireless phone charger. Get 2 cup holders. Inside the center console, you can see you get a 12-volt power outlet and really good storage space. Get auto dimming rear mirror with garage home link. And then up here you get your sunglasses container, your connected services control, your light controls is right here, and then SOS and your sunroof controls. And you can see you can just tap to turn on your LED lights. And this one has the panoramic sunroof in this one. And also really nice in Genesis fashion, you have the passenger seat controls right here, where the driver can actually move the passenger seat. They could move it front and back, and then you could also adjust the backrest function. Get your manual sunshades in this one, and then the materials fall through. Get soft touch right here, leather, stitch, more leather right here. Get your window control with lock unlock for the backseat passengers. Get your Genesis door sills in the rear seat also, and then you have this lever right here where you can fold the seat down. Get back seat pockets on each side. Then you get 2 air vents with your dual zone automatic climate control. Get rear heated seats. Your different zones is right here, off and auto. And then down here you get 2 USB ports, and then you get a AC 115 volt outlet. And then the maximum volts you could see is 150 watts. Get 2 cup holders. And then up here you get your LED lights. To open the trunk, just press this button. You can see inside of here you get your Genesis floor mats, and then under that you get your spare tire and everything else. Then you could also fold these seats down by these levers. And you get this right here. everything falls through on this side. And then you get your passenger power seat with your 4-way power lumbar. Inside of the glove box, you could see it's damped and it's felt lined, but inside of here you get your owner's manual air literature right there. You also have a pen holder. And then forgot to mention, along the dashboard, everything is really nice, soft, covered with leather, feels really nice, and when you just look at it, it feels really premium with this interior instead of you looking at soft plastic and think of it all the time being as a cheap material. But this is really nice and expensive looking. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.